Hi, it's Sandra here. Welcome to my channel today. What I have here is almost an A4 size, but it's divided into thirds instead of folded in half. And as you can see, I've put on a boarding, but it's on both sides. Now this card looks pretty plain. The reason I made this card is because of this. I happen to have a large sheet which has got a really pretty design on it, but it's the sort of design that makes it very difficult for you to actually incorporate it into a whole card without losing a lot of it. Now I've already stamped a sentiment here. So in the file that I will give you, you have this basic shape and you have the score lines, and I've also given you the file for this. Now it's not done in one piece, because I didn't have a piece of foil that was actually wide enough to do it in the one piece. But you notice that it has to be double-sided, because if it isn't, when you fold the card up, it will look most peculiar. So it must be something that you can put on both sides of the top of the card. So the self-adhesive foil is actually a good thing to do because it's very lightweight, it doesn't add any bulk, but it does add a lot of pizzazz to the card itself. So this is going to be the front of the card, and I've cut out some butterflies. This card is so simple. Now these I have cut out of a glitter card, and there's a slightly different design one there. Whoops, I need to do a bit of weeding on that one. It's not completely weeded out. And it's just add a little bit of contrast. So all I've done is I have slightly bent the wings up on these, and I'm just going to do that on these little plain butterflies here. And you just want to decide where to put them. Now I think it's quite nice to have a butterfly on that corner just peeking out, because when the card is opened it will look rather nice. Okay, so you need to make sure that it's within the boundaries of the card. If you want to put it in an envelope to post it, it needs to be within certain boundaries. So if we get that one stuck down first, so just a little glue on the back of there. You don't want masses of it, you don't want it seeping everywhere, you just want a little glue. And I'm leaving the wings free so they can raise up on there. And that one will peek up like so. There we go. So that's almost complete. All I need to do is to add a few little sparkly bits, I think. So there we are, that's the card completed. And you can open it up. Now if you want to, obviously you can put some extra design elements in there, but I think actually it's quite nice left as it is. You could put some other colour sparkly bits on there perhaps. I've got some pale pink ones here, so maybe put a couple of pale pink ones on there like so. But I think that's very pretty, and it's a very, very quick card to make. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.